In a previous video, I alluded to the fact that there are multiple different kinds of variables you can make with Python, and I use these examples. Name is equal to Matthew, and then age is equal to 20. In this video, I'm going to explain the 4 different variable types that you can make in Python. Now let's start with this first one. Name equals Matthew. This is what you would call a string variable, and a string in Python is just any word or letter. So here's 2 more examples. Favorite food equals pizza. That is a string variable. F initial for first initial is M. So any string, any word or letter is a string variable. And by the way, whether you use double quotes or single quotes does not matter. In some programming languages it does, but in Python it doesn't. So Matthew with double quotes would be just as valid as Matthew in single quotes, like that. So strings are the first data type. The second type is integers, which is just any whole number. So I did age equals 20. I'll use an example for today's date. Today's date is September 20th, so date equals, well, also 20. So you can do anything like 44, you can do -5, you can do 900, any whole number. That would be an integer, or int for short, which we'll see in a moment. The next type is a float, which is a really weird name for a decimal variable, but that's all it is, decimals. So pi is 3.141592654. Those are, I think, the first 10 digits of pi, and this is a decimal. So this would make this a float variable. You can do 3.3, you can do 7.891, you can do negative numbers, of course, -9.9. Any decimal number is a float. And the last type, which is the most fun to explain, is a Boolean, or bool for short, and I always use this example. Did, do, chores. A Boolean variable can be true or false and nothing else. And I'm gonna set this to false because I'm pretty bad about doing my chores, so did do chores is false. Just make sure you use a capital F in false or a capital T in true. And of course, I can have Python verify these types for me. I can type print type of name. I can add print type of date, and if I run that, it's going to tell me what kinds of variables these are. Class string, class int, because str, that's short for string, int is short for integer. Don't worry about the class part. By the way, when I do this, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. Type is a function which requires its own 2 parentheses. Print requires 2 parentheses. So this whole thing together should be 4 parentheses. 1 here, 2 back here. Let's do this with the rest of the variables. Print type of pi and print type of did do chores. If I run that, it's going to confirm all of what I told you. We have a string, an integer, a float, and a Boolean. And those are your 4 basic Python data types.